Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to set up Smart Sidebar. In case of HONOR X5c Plus, Smart Sidebar is navigation dock. Thanks to the dock we can get access to quick settings and options. In order to enable it, let's go to Settings and search for dock. Enter it and switch this button. Navigation dock is now enabled. You can tap it to go to home screen and to navigate through system. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.